Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of. Let us find the different values. Number 1 is m minus 2. m minus 2. If I put the value of m is equal to 2, then you will get 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 3m minus 5. If we put the value of m is equal to 2, then 3 into the value of m is 2. 3 into 2 minus 5, that is 3 to the 6. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is 9 minus 5m. 5m, that is equal to 9 minus 5 into the value of m is 2, that we are getting 9 minus 5 to the 10. 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 3m square. 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Then we put the value of m is equal to 2, that is 3 into the value of m is 2, that is 2 square. Value of m is 2, that you can write here as 2 square minus 2. The value of m is equal to 2. 2 into 2 minus 7. And we are getting 3 into 2 to the 4 minus 2 to the 4 minus 7. Then we are getting 3 4 the 12. 12. And minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11. 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. And that is the answer. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, here you see that it is 5m by 2 minus 4. Right? Therefore question number 5 is, here you see 5m by 2 minus 4. We are getting the value of m is 2. 5 into 2 by 2 minus 4. This 2 will cut. Therefore we are getting 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.